Hi, my name is Rahul Misra. I am the founder of TGCA. I would like to welcome you to our campus where we turn your dream of becoming a professional chef or baker into a reality.
Hi, I'm Chef Sahil Mehta. Welcome to TGCA. I studied the art of French pastry in Paris, and now I'm sharing my knowledge and techniques with whoever wants to master the art of baking and become a professional chef. I have designed and teach the pastry and bakery diploma course at our state-of-art campus in Kailash Colony.
Hello, my name is I am the center head and head of department of TGCA. I am also taking care of training and placement of TGCA students. TGCA offer two kind of courses. One is bakery, another one is in culinary.
Hi, I'm Chef Aditya Biswas. I've done my hotel management from IHM Pusa, and then I've done my MBA from Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Working with Tedco has given me an opportunity to train hundreds of chefs through the years.
My name is Chef Saurav Baghel. I've done my hotel management from IHM Meerut, and I represented India at WorldSkill Kazan and in different countries as well, like Australia and Scotland.
My name is Neha Broy. I'm Assistant Culinary Chef at TGCA.
I'm Akanksha Kohli. I'm an Assistant Pastry Chef at TGCA. I have completed my Advanced Diploma in Pastry and Bakery.
Hello everyone, this is Chef David, currently working at TGCA as a Chef Pastry Instructor. I'm a gold medalist in Pastry and Confectionery and Chocolate at India Skills.
Hi, my name is Jagjit Singh. I am the admission manager at TGCA. I look after the outreach and marketing activities for TGCA.
Hi, my name is Gurleen and I am the senior admissions counselor at TGCA. I look towards the admissions part over here. We are offering multiple courses in culinary and bakery arts.
Hi, I'm Deepali Sharma. I'm an admission counselor here, and we create the path for the students' dreams so that they can reach them.
My name is Vishwa Sharma and I've done my 12th from NIOS. I came to TGCA to pursue my dream of becoming a professional chef. TGCA has given me the proving ground which I always needed since childhood. TGCA has helped me not only grow my skills in the culinary world but as well as personality too. TGCA has also helped me securing my internship at La Meridian.
My name is Ashna Agarwal and I'm 21 years old. I have completed my 12th, and that's when I decided to join bakery and pursue it as my career option. Here the chefs are very nice and very kind. They teach you a lot more than you think.
If you want to know how to become a professional pastry chef, come join us.
Come along with us in this journey.
Come join us at TGCA and become a professional chef.
So come join us at TGCA and turn your passion into a profession.